If you are a man wey be say your totoro no pass like this, chinchini get in here. If you are a 5 seconds man, get in here. This period I'm doing buy one get one free, operation buy one get one free on this product. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vibe of video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. You know the jerk already if you are a subscriber. All right, so today is another vibe of video, but before we go into today's video, let me start by saying this. Please guys, be careful of scammers in my comment section. Be careful and mindful of scammers in my comment section, because I've seen a lot of messages. I was going through my comment section yesterday, and what I am saying here, I was just laughing just because scammers are all over my comment section. Please be aware of them. Don't exchange your WhatsApp number with them. Don't exchange your call number with them. And please, if you do, you are on your own, because I am not sending anybody to you in the comment section, so that you could be exchanging number, and you can do it at your own discretion if you think you want to make friend or anything. But me, my hand no dey there. Don't come and be crying in my comment section that somebody scammed you in my comment section when the thing happen. No, I don't talk my own now. I beg, be mindful of scammers in my comment section. See, the way these people are responding to comment messages in the comment section actually scared me a lot, because see, I don't want you guys to fall victim. Nigeria now is hard. Nigeria is already hard now. It is the survivor of the fittest. So please don't allow anybody to scam you in this era, in this season. Okay, so yeah, that is what I really want to tell you before we dive into today's video. And today's video is for men and women. How good, how sweet is that? Today I'm bringing to you Kayanmata that a man and a woman can actually use to share one lore, and to benefit their love life. And yeah, so today, if you are a 5 seconds man, get in here. If you are a man wey be say your totoro no pass like this, chinchini, get in here. And perhaps you are a man, before you could rise up being a man, you have to be massaged, you have to be worked on for like maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. What is that? Get in here, because this video is actually for you. And if you are a woman that before your husband or your boyfriend can get into you, you have to be worked on for like 30 minutes before you can be active, get in here. Today's video is actually for you. If you are a woman that you are suffering from dryness and you are not always in the mood, you have to get in here, because today's video is actually for you. I'm about to introduce a product of which you can never get wrong to you in today's video, to enhance your love life, to help your love life, and to make you sweet from the inside to outside. You know we are all about DIY on this channel. Whatever will help you, that is what I'm bringing to you today. Please guys, ignore the background noise, because see, my house right beside, after, behind, churches are all over this place. See, it is church, they are praying. I cannot stop them, I cannot complain. They are praying to their God. All right. So if you are actually battling with all these things I have said earlier, you have to get in here, just so that you could help yourself, you could improve in your love life. You know what I mean already, you know the jerk. Anyways, if your totoro is small, women, as a man, as a woman, I'm telling you, women like gbongbola totoro. So if you have small totoro and you have to be worked on, like 40 minutes before you could stand, before you could act like a man, get in here. I have something to help your life. I have something for your ministry, where we say if you wire woman like this, woman go run. okay? You go become king where you be after using this product I'm about to introduce to you as a man. And as a woman, you can never get it wrong with this herbal mixture I'm about to show you, okay? Let me start with the men own. This is for men. This is jagam. Like, this is original jagam wey be say you men, if you love yourself, you love your life, if you love yourself, if you love your wife and you want to help your love life, you want to enhance your totoro, you want your totoro to act like never before, this product is for you. See, ajebi idonre, this will work on your gbosa, on your gbongbula, on your totoro. When we say your totoro will begin to work like machine, like machine. You can never get it wrong with this mixture. It is herbal mixture for men, men only. What? The method of using this herbal mixture is taking 3 cups of this mixture in the morning before you go to work. When you take it, eat very well, and when you come home in the night, trust me, when the plague begin, your wife go run, like e go run, you go surprise am. If you are a man and all the ladies in your life are complaining about your totoro, about your gbola, that it is too small, it is, women now, when you don't have something very attractive, something very big, something very long, at least make it moderate, make it taste good, make it work like a machine to satisfy the ladies in your life, okay? This is the answer to your trouble, to your wahala. Men, you dey hear me so? And if you are a woman, you can always buy it or get it for your man anywhere, in any aphrodisiac shop. Just tell them you want a machine gun, a sure manpower. Trust me, guys, men, you can never get it wrong with this herbal mixture. It is called sure manpower. See, one use, one dose will convince you that this is actually an answer to your problem. All right, so yeah. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is for women. You see this one? Women that when their man wants to come into, if your man is already in the mood, I don't see why you should be worked on, you should be licked, you should be, this is for women wey sabi. Okay, if you are a woman, you are not always in the mood, your husband is complaining, your boyfriend is complaining about you not being in the mood, if you're actually suffering from dryness, this our toto is supposed to dey juicy at every time, at every point in time when we are in mood. There's some women who are suffering from this type of, I call it calamity because it is a problem, okay? You just have to solve it, you just have to find a solution to it, all right? And this is your solution, okay? Quickie, quickie, if you know what I mean already. This is a solution for you to be sweet from inside to outside, to stay juicy, and to keep you in mood. This is a solution to your problem, all right? So I hope this video is helpful. I hope you love this video. If you are interested in this product, check my description box, and also I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number up on the screen for you to see. And see, this period I'm doing buy one get one free, operation buy one get one free on this product, okay? Just contact me, and trust me, you are going to thank me later, okay? I hope this video is helpful. I hope you love this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.